Welcome to this ClickShare information video. I'm going to show you how you can share from an iPad or iPhone to the meeting room display using Airplay. There are 3 simple steps to take. Connect to the ClickShare Wi-Fi network. Open the control center and choose your ClickShare base unit. Okay, first connect to the ClickShare Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi and select ClickShare from the network list. Log in using the default password ClickShare. Now you are connected and can use Airplay. Next, set Airplay to ClickShare. Swipe up or flick from the bottom of your device to access the control center. Tap Airplay and choose ClickShare. And you'll now see your device mirrored on the meeting room display. If PIN code security is switched on for your base unit, you'll have to enter a PIN code before you can share using Airplay. You'll see the PIN on the meeting room display. You can share documents and video content stored on your iOS device, as well as online content via your browser. To stop sharing, swipe up to access the control center. Select your ClickShare base unit and tap Turn off mirroring. Don't forget to select your normal Wi-Fi when you no longer want to use ClickShare. And that is how you use Airplay for ClickShare.